Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by AgroPro Tech Conference and Expo, from 3 to 5 June 2021 at GEC Convention Center Chittagong. Ruth Metzler-Arnold resigns from the board of directors of the Buehler Group.
Work on Elham Auto Rice Mill provided by AgroBest Corporation is in progress.
Recommendations for the safe storage of rice in a silo.
Researchers of Sylhet Agricultural University innovated tea grading method.
Tyson Foods will have to face pressure from investors on lobbying and human rights at share traders meetings.
During the corona period, tea production in the northern region of Bangladesh has been recorded.
Signing ceremony of Matco Foods Limited and Kofco ET Int.
Edible oil prices are rising in the market. Meetings market monitoring are not having any positive impact on the market.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Miltech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.